Hey guys, Jason Castle of BassBoatElectronics.com. We're out here in the shop rigging. We're kind of behind on installs. The main thing that we focus on is quality, not quantity, so it does take us a long time. However, we really do focus to make sure when the boat leaves, it's done right, and so it's one time, you're not coming back and you don't have any issues on the water. That's the main deal. So quality is our key. We'll walk down here, we'll show you a couple of things that came in that have been kind of hot. Of course, we got pretty much all your most popular trolling motors. Inventory is live on the website. We've got full wire. We build our own custom wiring harnesses pretty much on site, so there's no excess wire in the boat. Any extra length in your circuits and fused and breakered correctly. We've got all our shop tools. Even got a couple power pole charges left, so anybody looking for those, down to 4 of them. So those are gonna be really hard to get for the rest of the year. Some backstock inventory, but as always, if you guys need anything or have any questions, reach out to us. If you do want us to install and do any rigging on your boat, we've got our install queue on our website, BassBoatElectronics.com. You can just simply fill out a submission and that'll hold your spot in line. It's pretty much first come, first serve. So as always, we're built to serve, and if you have any questions, reach out to us. Thanks.